Hello peeps, it's Ange and I'm back with your weekly roundup for Dollar General, Saturday, February the 15th. Now we do have our cheat sheet. I'm going to let them roll through here for you, give you an opportunity to screenshot, so that way you've got it while you're in the store. Also in the description box below, you'll find a link for our printable version as well as on our website. I'm also going to include any links that I think that might be helpful to you in the description box. Now we do have a couple of new coupons and offers for you guys that I thought that you'd need to know about today. Now, we did get this $2 when you spend $12 on select items from Hidden Valley and Totino's. We also have this 50% off one Hidden Valley coupon that does expire today. So if you like these brands, go ahead and grab it while you're out. This deal right here, however, you're going to buy 3 of the 250 pizzas, 1 of the Hidden Valley Ranch at $5.25. Your total is going to be $12.75. After this 75% off one coupon, as well as your $2 off for spending $12, you're going to pay just $10.25. Or if you want to do the fetch deal, you can go ahead and grab you 2 of the Totino's pizza rolls at $6 each. You're going to use this $2 off when you spend $12 and pay just $10. Now, you guys know that I've been loving this Nestle $5 when you spend $15 coupon. Well, I checked my offers this morning. I found this Jack's Pizza. You get $1 cash back for each one that you buy. So what you want to do, you're going to grab 4 of them. That's $16. You're going to pay $11. Then you're going to get back $4 in DG cash. $1 for each of the pizzas that you bought, which is going to make your net out of pocket just $7. That's not too bad. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump in and cover our deals. Now I just wanted to let you know right off the bat this morning that the Valentine's Day candy did go to 25% off. We do have this $3 off for spending $10 on Hershey Valentine's candy, as well as a couple of other store coupons that we might be able to use toward it. So check out your stash in your store today. Share with us and let us know what all y'all still got. The next deal I want to touch on for you guys is this Scott deal. Now we have a $4 instant savings when you spend $20 on Scott products. You're going to grab you 2 of the $5 bath tissue, as well as 2 of the paper towels. You're going to use this $1 off one Scott bath tissue, and you're going to use the $1 off one on the Scott paper towels, leaving you to pay just $14. Now this will count as $16 towards your 5 off 25, just so that way you can keep your deal straight. Okay, the next deal I want to touch on is this Gain Buy One, Get One. You're going to grab the $18.95 liquid as well as a $9.95 fling. You're going to stack that Buy One, Get One store coupon with this $1.05 off of one detergent coupon. And you're going to pay just $17.90. Now, this will attach to your 5 off 25 at an old system like it is, leaving you to pay just $12.90 plus tax. Now, however, if you're going to do this deal at a new system, you'll need just another $6.05 in product with manufacturer coupons to make that 5 off 25 stick. Now, the next deal I want to touch on for you guys is the Tide Hygienic Clean Power Pods. We have this $3 off one store coupon, as well as this $2.05 off of one manufacturer coupon. Now these will stack, leaving you to pay just $14.90. Now this deal is still good as well. Grab you 2 of the Moisture Rich Tresemme products. You're going to use this $5 off of 2 manufacturer coupon, as well as this $2 off one store coupon, and you're going to pay just $5 for both of the Tresemme. And this deal is still good as well. Grab you one of the Stouffer's lasagnas. They are still on sale for the $15. Use that 5 off whenever you spend $15 on Nestle products, and you're going to pay just $10 out of pocket. Now here is one that I haven't tried this week to see if it was still working like it was last week on the 2 bagel bites, but we still have this $2 whenever you spend $8. Grab you 2 of the bagel bites and 1 of the Taco Bell sauces. You'll pay just $6. Now last week we were able to grab 2 of the bagel bites. They were on a sale, 2 for $6. And then we got this $2 coupon. It was coming off, leaving us to pay just $4. So if you get that deal, please let us know in the comments below if it's still working. Now, while you're out there shopping today, if you need you a little snack and something to drink, here's a great deal for you. Grab a 1 liter of the Pepsi products, as well as one of these Doritos Minis. You're going to pay just $1.60. That's not a bad little filler item either. Now, if you like Airwick, this $5 off of 1 Airwick does expire today. You'll pay just $7 for a 5 count of the refill oils. You can also grab you a Mucinex 4 count. They are $4.65. We have this $3 off one, making them just $1.65. Or you can grab the Zazal. They are $10.50. Use this $5 off 1 coupon. Pay just $5.50. This Hellmann's mayonnaise coupon. This is the last Saturday that this one's good as well. They are $5.50. You'll pay just $3.50. Now, if you still have that Mr. Clean coupon, get out there and use it today, guys, because it does expire. You're going to get $6 off when you buy 2. If you can grab these $4 ones in your store, then you're going to pay $2 for 2 big bottles of Mr. Clean. However, if you can't find the $4 ones, go ahead and grab you 2 of the 6. You're going to pay $6 for 2 bottles. Still a good deal. Next, we're going to go ahead and touch on the different filler items. These are low out-of-pocket or high savings. The Suavitel sheets are $1.95. Use this 1 off 1 coupon and pay just 95 cents. The Scott 6 count is $3.50. You can use this $1 off 1 and pay just $2.50. The Neutrogena acne patches are $7.50. Use this $3.50 off of 1 coupon and pay just $4. Or grab the Kingsford pellets for $3. Use this $2 off 1 and pay just $1. This C4 Energy, this is one my husband absolutely loves. Grab it for $2.50. Use this $1.50 off coupon and pay just $1. The Palmolive dishwashing liquid is $2.75. Use this 75 cents off of 1 and pay just $2. Next, we have our Febreze plug. It is $3.50. Use this $3.30 off of 1 and somehow it come up as $0. The Febreze air sprays are $3.25. Use this $2.30 off of 1 and pay just 95 cents. The Dawn Easy Squeeze is $4.95. Use this 1 off of 1 and pay just $3.95. And again, our little Doritos and Pepsi deal. That is a really good filler item. Now, we appreciate you coming by with us this morning. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And please make sure that you're following on all of the socials that you see here. Please share your hauls, your deals, if you have any questions or problems. We'd love hearing from you. Thank you, and you guys be safe out there today. Stay warm, and we'll see you with the next big deal. Later, guys.